1, go.
All right, so our group's unit was Unit 1, which is about just thinking geographically, and it's very introductory. And this is just going to be a short introduction to our website. So after you watch this, fill out our question form and go through the site more in depth.
All right, so Unit 1.1 is about learning about the maps and what they can do and all the different types. So the main topics in 1.1 are the projections, different types of projections, and the different types of maps you can use. In 1.2, 1.3, you can analyze these maps that you've created or observed, and you can really get in depth about the data that they provide and like how to gather that data and how to use it to like its full potential.
Unit 1.4 talks about spatial concepts, kind of like time-space compression, distance decay, and absolute and relative location. And they're very important for understanding kind of how the world has evolved, especially through urbanization. 1.5 talks about human-environment interaction, so kind of how we treat the world and kind of the interaction between that, as well as sustainability, land use, and other concepts like that, and talks about other case studies in the world where that becomes prominent.
All right, so Unit 1.6 is going to be scales of analysis. And the real key takeaway here is that scale of analysis is different from just the plain scale of a map. So once you go through this page, you'll get a more in-depth look at that. And it also goes off of some of the concepts in 1.4, such as space-time compression, by talking about like an introduction to globalization. And then in 1.7, we look into regional analysis, which is talking about formal regions, functional regions, and perceptual regions. And this is stuff that we did way back that's key to getting a real understanding on how to interpret data.
All right, guys. Thank you.